What's up mga kabit? Kung naaalala nyo yung content natin before na CDFI, ito yung launchpad na lagi kang nauuna sa mga games. And hindi lang yun, pwede kang syempreng sumabay at mag-invest sa mga token nila bago pa lumabas itong game na to. So paano ba nangyayari yun? No? Pag-uusapan kasi natin yung dalawang games nila ngayon na lalabas, which is yung Continuum World at saka yung Blocktopia. So guys, wag na natin patagalin. Ano ba itong dalawang laro na to? No? Ito yung isa si Continuum World. In one day, pwede ka nang pumasok dito sa kanilang first phase. Okay, kung check mo yan, pwede ka nang pumasok. 1 day and 6 hours na lang siya, no? So, pwede ka na mag-participate dito and of course, you will earn kapag ka pumasok ka sa pool na to. Ano pa yung isa? So, dito naman sa Blocktopia, pwede ka na mag-participate 5 days and 6 hours. So, i-check natin ano ba tong Continuum World na to. Kung gusto nyo i-check, guys, yung mismong website ni Continuum World, ayan siya, continuum.world, and makikita natin yung gameplay. Ano ba tong laro na to? Explore a new world full of natural resources. Continuum is a idyllic world composed of sky islands with a natural and futuristic environment where you can collect plenty of resources. The more and better you avatar searches among all lands, the more resources you will obtain, which allow you to earn our native token UM. So yan, this is a play to earn game, guys, na mas i-explore pa natin. And yung isang game, guys, sinilip natin, ang website is blocktopia.com. So yan yung spelling niya. So check natin kung ano ba tong game na to. A decentralized metaverse built and backed up by Polygon. O yan ha. Blocktopia will provide unprecedented VR experience. So medyo maganda to, lalo na yung mga VR dyan. For the crypto community, bringing users together all in one immersive and engaging environment. So ayan, silipin natin. Introducing Blocktopia, the home of crypto. Blocktopia is a skyscraper made of 21 levels. Okay? Pay recognition to 21 million Bitcoin token holders will be known as Blocktopians. Oh, ayos ah. It will act as a central hub and welcome all levels of crypto experience. So guys, to know more about this, no, pwede natin siyang basahin. Click natin yung white paper. Pero again, pupunta lang muna ako dito sa Medium para mas madali natin silang mas makita. So dito tayo muna para mas madali natin silang maintindihan. So explorers of the metaverse, join us an adventure into Continuum World. So ayun nga guys, it's connected siya sa CDFI. Ito nga, hello CDFI community, basahin natin. Today we are thrilled to share more information about Continuum World. So ni-inform ni Continuum World syempre si CDFI para makapag-participate ka doon sa pinag-usapan natin before na IGO or Initial Game Offering, which is coming up on the CDFI Launchpad on October 1, which is bukas na yan, kaya kailangan ma-upload ko to today. So Continuum World is a free-to-play, play-to-earn game combining MMO, massively multiplayer online, and farming. So yan, pwede kang kumita guys by farming. It is designated not to require any knowledge about blockchain to start playing and enjoying the fun, immersive gaming experience. So kahit wala kang knowledge about crypto, madali mo lang siyang laruin at the same time, syempre, kikita ka sa laro na to. But again guys, syempre, do your own research pa din and don't invest yung mga nina you can't afford to lose para safe tayong lahat. So gameplay, as a new colony of UMI, the characters in the game is getting established in a new world. Okay, the objective of the game is to survive and building a thriving civilization through exploring the wonders of Continuum and collecting the resources from the land. So parang mag-build ka dyan, no, ng sarili mong community or sarili mong lugar. Player will have their own UMI avatar in the game. The more active they are and the better they explore, the more resources they will gather. So ganun siya guys, napakadali lang siyang laruin. And syempre, silipin nga natin tong video na makita natin talaga yung itsura niya. Continuum World. Yan. So, you are gathering resources para makakuha ka ng pang-build. Okay. So, may pagka-survival din to, no? Wow! So, you are building your community. Okay. Pwede ka rin mag-fishing. Ayos ah. Build, explore, craft, and trade. Ayos. Aba, may mga indoor ano pa, no? Plantations. May mga generators din and windmills. So, parang pinapalaki mo yung community. Tapos makikita mo yung iba, oh. Ay, nakakausap mo ibang players. Continuum World. So para talaga siyang magandang metaverse talaga. Nakalagay nga, oh. Oh, may trailer pa. May something to look forward to coming sa 2020. Ayan. So So, hintayin natin guys, no? By the way guys, meron mga advantages and disadvantages yan. So, minsan kapag ka ikaw ay maaga sa game, no? Masyado ka maaga, possible na maragpul yan or biglang mawala yung game. So, ingat din tayo. Kaya sobrang importante na nagre-research ka, no? Do your own research about saan? Sa game itself, sa developers, sino yung mga partners nila, talaga bang legit na game yan? Para kumbaga, may long-term plan ka, may nilulook forward ka. Kahit matagal pa siya, at least nakapag-invest ka ng early. Okay? So, meron din namang advantage yung late ka na nakapasok, no? Kasi nakikita mo na, oops, stable na yung game, no? Talagang kahit medyo mataas-taas yung presyo, no, na pagpasok mo, at least medyo stable na siya, no? So guys, kaya maganda na meron mga launchpad na ganito para syempre naiiwasan kasi syempre sila, inaayos nila, tinitingnan din nila mismo kung yung mga pumapasok or pumapartner sa kanila is mga legit talaga and may long-term plan yung mga laro nila. So guys, ito yung NFTs nila, lands or NFT tokens using the ERC 721 standard, no? There will be a fixed amount of land supply, making this rare, no? And the lands come in different sizes, syempre yan, no? Varying attributes which affect the potential income from farming as well as the price of the land. So yan, pwede tayong kumita sa land, sa farming. Ito yung guys, yung mga sample nila. May plantations, may power generators, may fish farms. Ito yung habang nilalaro mo guys, no? Dumadami resources mo. Pwede ka rin magkaroon nito. Ikaw magbi-build mismo yan. So ito yung mga sample guys ng mga avatar nila, no? Or UMIs or UMIs. And then of course, ito yung kanilang token, no? So is the Continuum World in-game currency and is the lifeblood of the game's robust economic system. So daan na lang natin to guys, no? Yung Continuum World IGO Quick Facts, no? So ayan, si ERC20, Polygon Ethereum Layer 2. Ang total supply nila guys is 1 billion initial market cap, as you can see. Listing price 0.015. And then IGO date, eto na guys, October 1. Allocation $200,000. And then, IGO price, yun nga, yung 0.15, vesting 50% at TGA, then 50% in 1 month. So, ayan, if you want to check, guys, yung website, Telegram, Discord, etong link na to, ilalagay ko sa description para mas makilatis nyo, no? Mas masilip nyo siya. And if you want to participate, guys, again, you can click this link, no? And then, punta kayo din doon sa CDFI website. And guys, silipin na rin natin yung kaninang nakita natin na game, which is yung Blacktopia, reality or virtual reality, yun nga yung VR, no? Welcome to the future of Metaverse. As you can see, syempre nakakonect siya sa CDFI. We are thrilled to introduce you to the newest Metaverse on CryptoBlock. Today, we would like to share more information on Blacktopia and their upcoming IGO, which is yun nga, yung initial game offering nila on the CDFI Launchpad, which is nandun siya sa CDFI website, which is ilalagay ko yung link dyan, no? Sa October 5 na po yun, 2021. So, basahin lang natin to na mabilisan, guys, no? Standing 21 stories tall and piercing the crypto sphere sky, Blacktopia stands as the tallest building on the blockchain. So guys, kung makikita nyo, no, Blacktopia is a skyscraper VR NFT metaverse designed to be the home of crypto and the ultimate virtual hub built and supported to guys ng Polygon. If you wanna know more guys, ilalagay ko rin yung link na to para mas mabasa nyo siya ng kompleto. Pero ito nga, Blacktopia, ito yung mga itsura niyan. Blacktopia token holders and participants in its metaverse will be known as Blacktopians. And guys, ito yung exciting dyan kasi tingnan nyo to make the environment even more attractive. Upon your very first login to Blacktopia wallet, guys, you will be required to create your own reflection, a personalized avatar. There will be a multiple customization. Yung itsura mo, syempre, no, yung damit, no, kumbaga parang kung ano yung figure mo, ikaw bahala kung anong gusto mo sa character mo. Available to bring the feel and look to the avatar that best suits you. Yun maganda na pa-personalize siya. You will also be tasked, no, with coming up with a unique name for your avatar. It's up to you kung anong gusto mong pangalan na ilalagay. Once this is done, you will be provided with a Blacktopia passport. So, eventually, you will also have the ability to further enhance your avatar by purchasing items from the Blacktopia marketplace. So, guys, very exciting to. As you can see, very cool naman yung mga itsura ng Blacktopians natin. So, guys, no, maganda at least na meron na rin tayong kahit papano knowledge about dun sa dalawang game, no, yung Continuum World at saka yung Blacktopia, nalalabas pa lang sa CDFI. So, yan ang importance ng Launchpad, no? At least nakikita nyo na bago pa talaga siya maging laro, no? Nakakapag-participate ka na, nakakapag-invest na. So guys, dito sa Medium na to, halos lahat naman no, yung summary niya mababasa mo na about dun sa game. Pero pwede ka pa rin pumunta sa website para mas masilip mo yung mga white paper niya, ano ba talaga yung mismong game. Kasi as of now, ang tinitingnan natin dito is yung mga bagong lalabas sa CD5. Pero syempre guys, no, bago tayo matapos, silipin na rin natin tong Blocktopia IGO Quick Facts. So, ang name nga ng token is BLOK, which is Block ERC20 Polygon Ethereum Layer 2, and ang total supply niyan guys ay 200 billion. Initial market cap nila is 500,000, listing is 0025. Listing price nila is 0.00025. Allocation is 250,000. IGO price is same with the listing price. Vesting is 10% at listing, 20% distribution months 2, 3, 4, and 30% distribution sa 5th month nila. Guys, if you wanna know more, pwede kayong pumasok nga dito sa mga website nila or mga social media nila, no? Ayan ang website, Twitter, Telegram, Medium, and of course, how to buy and participate dun sa IGO. You can click this link. Don't worry, ilalagay ko naman yung link sa description. So, ganun lang kasimple guys, no? Kung meron kayong gustong itanong, please ilagay nyo sa comment kung may gusto pa kayong malaman. And guys, kung nagustuhan mo tong video natin, huwag mo na makalimutan i-like yung button, no? Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you so much for subscribing. And kung gusto mo guys na lagi kang updated, huwag mo kalimutan i-hit yung notification bell para pag may bagong laro, bagong about sa crypto or news or token or kahit ano pa man yan, mapa-game or trading, updated ka palagi. Thank you so much sa laging pagsuporta mo at pag-click every time may video tayo. Maraming salamat sa iyo and God bless you.